walikuwa manabii wa Jezebeli na lilikuwa ni jeshi lake. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Ni kama kiongozi wa nchi ana jeshi lake. Alafu jeshi likishindwa, kiongozi anasema mimi ndiye nitakaye kupata. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Na wewe unaogopa wakati jeshi lake umeshalishinda. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. It is an irony of things that we may pass through. Praise the name of the living God. Ikakuwa ya kwamba ni kama kwamba pia aliweza kusahau yale Bwana aliweza kuyatenda. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Kwa sababu kama angekumbuka, kama angekaa tafakari, angeogopa hata dakika moja. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Neno lingine likakuja kwamba tusikize neno la Bwana, tumwamini yeye, ya kwamba tunaenda season nyingine. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Tunaenda upande mwingine. Na yote ni ya Bwana. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Tutaendelea kama neno hilo linaendelea hivyo. Na wakati mwingine tunaonanga neno la Bwana ama we have verses that we usually know and they become so common, and sometimes we forget how powerful the word is. Praise the name of the living God. Kwa sababu John 3:16, wakati mwingine watu wanasema tu kama ni wimbo. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. But it has so much power in it. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes shall not perish, but have everlasting life. Praise the name of the living God. Ina describe vile Bwana alivyotupenda, vile Bwana alivyopenda ulimwengu. Na wakati mwingine tunaona tu ni kama kawaida. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Tunaona tu yeye kujitolea, yeye kupenda dunia kama ingefaa kuwa vile. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Tunakosa kuona kujitolea kwake, kuacha mambo yake, kuacha Mungu, kuacha ufalme, anakuja kukonga wa mwanadamu. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. And our verse today come from the book of Psalms 23. Psalms 23 verse 1 to 6. It is a very common word. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Let us read from verse 1, Psalms 23, from verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me to lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leads me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For you are with me, your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, and my cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Praise the name of the living God. Our topic today will be, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Praise the name of the living God. Our focus will be verse 4. And this verse of this chapter was written by David. And it is a personal proclamation or declaration of his trust in God. That the Lord is his shepherd. The Lord is his shepherd. The Lord protects him. The Lord walks with him. He shall not want. Praise the name of the living God. Being a shepherd, the sheep do not worry about what they will eat tomorrow. Praise the name of the living God. They do not care. Even if they are led by the shepherd in the morning, they do not care where they are going. Because they know they will have something to eat. Praise the name of the living God. He makes me lie down in green pastures. Because the shepherd will find a good place. Praise the name of the living God. The shepherd will find a safe place. The shepherd will find a place where they will also get water. Praise the name of the living God. This is what he is talking about. Even when he goes astray, he restores his soul. Praise the name of the living God. He restores and leads us back into the path of righteousness. Praise the name of the living God. Kwa sababu the sheep don't care because they know they have a shepherd. And the Lord leads him not because for himself, but for his name's sake. Praise the name of the living God. And verse 4, we see a big shift. God does all this, but in verse 4, the tone shifts. We get into the journey. We come from serenity. We come from a good place. And we get back to suffer. Praise the name of the living God. Yet in this dark place, the Lord leads him. Praise the name of the living God. He knows he will endure because of God's presence. Even if it seems that you are lost. Praise the name of the living God. Yeah, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, despite having a shepherd, you will walk through the valley of the shadow of death. And it is not if, it is when. Praise the name of the living God. Si ya kwamba ati ni kama ni lazima utapitia. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Ni lazima utapitia. Most times we see people who are progressing, people who are blessed. We see people doing great things. We see their anointing. We see their businesses. We see their big cars. We see their big churches. We see their good families. We see how anointed they are. But we fail to see the shadows that they fight. Praise the name of the living God. And fighting shadows does not mean God is not with you. Because he is your shepherd. He leads you. Praise the name of the living God. A God who walks with you. And this is what most people don't understand. Because they will say, that pastor is saved. But why is he sick? Praise the name of the living God. Why is he lucky? Why is he not thriving? Why is his business not prospering? And they do not recognize that you must go through suffering. Praise the name of the living God. We want to acknowledge the victories. We want to see the good part. But every believer must face the shadow and the valleys. Praise the name of the living God. Despite all this, we must walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Because sometimes you will feel betrayed. Sometimes you will feel, my business is not working. My family is not moving. My life has stagnated. My church has stagnated. I cannot walk. I cannot go. Mimi nimekaa hapa sana. Mimi nimeishi hapa sana. Kama wana wa Israeli walianza kumnung'unikia Musa, kwa nini ulituleta jangwani? Kwa nini ulituleta mahali hapa? Tuache turudi kule. Tuache turudi tukakule malenge. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Hawaoni nguvu ambazo Bwana aliwatoa mahali pale nazo. The effort that it took, the miracles that were performed, they failed to recognize. And in our lives, we also fail to recognize what God has done for us. And walking through the valley of shadow of death, it is not about the physical death. It's not about things dying in our lives. It is the symbolic life of darkest moments, of painful moments, when hope seems so far and death seems so near. And let's just say, John 14 and verse 1. It says, John 14 verse 1, man who is born of a woman is of few days and full of trouble. Praise the name of the living God. So any person who is born, you must suffer and you will suffer. Praise the name of the living God. It is things that you will face. It is things that you will walk with. You will be mocked. And they will talk. John 16 and verse 33. It says, these things I have spoken to you, that in me you may have peace. In the world you will have tribulations, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world. You will suffer. It is a guarantee. You will suffer. In the world you will have tribulations, but you must have peace. Praise the name of the living God. You must find comfort in God. In your darkest moment, you must find the hope in God. Because the valley is not a sign of God's absence. It is part and a guarantee of our spiritual journey. Praise the name of the living God. And the shadow is not a substance. Keruti kedo, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Sio kitu hawezi shika, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. It is just an obstruction. It is just an obstruction. It does not mean that God is not your shepherd. It does not mean God is not leading you. It does not mean God is not taking you to greener pastures. It does not mean God is not leading you to still waters. It also means God is leading you in the shadows. And the shadow has no capacity, but it threatens. Inaogopesha. Wakati unapita usiku, alafu uone kivuli, utaogopa. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Lakini haimaanishi kuna kitu mahala pale. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Because David does not talk about the death. He talks about the shadow of death. The shadow might be threatening, but can never harm you. Praise the name of the living God. There is the word of somebody. And the word has passed you. The shadow is threatening, but it cannot harm you. Kuna neno la watu hapa. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Even in those shadows, it is for us to pray. In those shadows, it is for us to trust in God. In those shadows, we might not see the shepherd, but we trust in him. We might not see the shepherd, but he leads us. We might not see the shepherd, but he's walking through the shadow with us. And the shadow means we cannot see our way clearly. It means our path might not be straight. It means there are hurdles. It makes us sometimes not start things. And sometimes we wait to see our way to be clear. For us to start that business. For us to start that family. For us to start trusting in God. Praise the name of the living God. And the Bible, most of the time, does not teach us to just see our way through. Praise the name of the living God. Because you will need to pray. You will need to walk through the shadows. You need the questions. It is not that God is going to answer all your prayers. It is not that God is not going to answer all your questions at that time. But you must trust in him. That he has heard your prayers. He has heard your supplications. He is with you. He is walking with you. He is moving with you. He is blessing you. He is taking you through the right path. Even if there are shadows. Even if it seems the hope is so far. Even if it seems the hope is so far. Even if the death seems so near. Akamwona Yesu akitembea juu ya maji. Wakati wengine atakwambia njoo. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Atakwambia kwamba miguu yako itapata maji. Haujui utaenda kwake vipi. Wewe uko kwenye merikebu. Wewe unajua vile merikebu inaenda. Petero alikuwa merikebu kwa ajili ya kitabu. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Alikuwa amepitia mengi katika merikebu, lakini hakuwa yona mtu anapita juu ya maji. Lakini anamwona Yesu. Anamwambia njoo. Petero hajui ataenda vipi, lakini anakanyaga. It is for us to take a step of faith. It is for us to take that step of faith, not knowing how we will go, not knowing how our path is, not knowing if our path is straight. Because we will face the storms. We will face the storms. We will face the storms. And sometimes God tells you to start something, but He has not told you the conditions. Praise the name of the living God. He just tells you, go and start. He just tells you, come. Praise the name of the living God. That is why we must face the shadows. That is why we must walk through stuff. That is why we must walk through the waters. That's why we must cross the Jordan. That is why we must cross the Red Sea. Wana wa Israeli wametolewa, wamefika bahari ya Shamu. Hawajui watapita vipi. Hawajui watavuka vipi. Adui zao wamewafuata. Wakati mwingine umefika pale, unaanza kunongonika. Unaanza kuongea. Wewe ulinileta katika kanisa hili. Sasa ona sasa wananisema. Ona sasa wananisengenya. Ona sasa wananiongelelea. Lakini yeye alikwambia, nenda. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Those are the valleys. Those are the shadows that you must face. Those are the storms that we must face. And the shadow exists when there is light. Even in the darkest night, there is the presence of light. It is just things that are blocking our way. It is just Satan sometimes blocking our path, blocking the light, but the light is so near. Isaiah 9 and verse 12. Not 12, verse 2. Isaiah 9 verse 2. The people who walk in darkness have seen a great light. Praise the name of the living God. The people who walk in darkness have seen a great light. When your troubles are so much, when your troubles are so huge, when your shadow is so thick, you have seen a great light. It continues to say, those who dwell in the land of the shadow of death, upon them a light has shined. Praise the name of the living God. It does not mean that when the light shines, you will not face the shadows. It does not mean when you have seen the great things, you will not face dark moments. Praise the name of the living God. 2 Corinthians and verse 4. Watakuja watakufuata lakini hawatakuweza. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. It says, for our light affliction, which is but for a moment, is working for us a far more exceeding and eternal weight of glory. While we do not look at the things which are seen, but at the things which are not seen. For the things which are seen are temporal, but for the things which are not seen are eternal. Praise the name of the living God. Our light affliction. Dhiki zetu ni rahisi tu. Dhiki zetu ni za muda tu. Our valleys, our shadows are thus far away and cannot be compared with the eternal glory that we will receive. Praise the name of the living God. Because we do not look at the things that are seen, we look at the things that are not seen. Because the things that are seen are temporary, but the things that are not seen are eternal. Because situations will not last forever. Our situation should not make us forget our salvation. Our situation should not make us forget where our salvation comes from. Praise the name of the living God. You might be an anointed king. You might be an anointed king. You might be an anointed servant. You might be a big business person. But that does not mean you will not face your shadows. You might be so great, but you must face the shadows. David was an anointed king. He has fought. He has killed Goliath, the biggest giant. You have fought battles and you have won, but the shadows are still coming. The shadows are still in your way. The shadows are still in your way. There are people looking to finish. Sauli alikuwa akimtafuta ili aweze kumaliza. Na akaweza kupotea. Wakati huo Daudi is walking through the valley of the shadow of death. Wakati mwingine utapata mpaka nafasi za kumaliza adui zako. Utapata nafasi za kuongea vibaya. Utapata nafasi za kuonyesha Mungu wako. Lakini the revenge is not for you. Praise the name of the living God. Daudi akapata nafasi ya kumuua Sauli, lakini hakufanya hivyo kwa sababu haikuwa yake. At these times and most times, when the sun of the light is shining on us, we will have so many people walking with us. We will have so many people in with us because the sun is shining. Sometimes we see it pastors, but when shadows come, when shadows fight them, those people do walk away. Praise the name of the living God. Many mankind, when Jesus was being crucified, hawakutaka kumshika. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Hawakutaka kwenda karibu na yeye. kwa sababu he is facing the shadows. But when you are ascending, wakati unapanda kwenda juu, wanakuja kukushika. And not very give time to touch Jesus, because he is ascending. Praise the name of the living God. Most people will come to you when the times are good. Most people will come to you when you are not fighting things. Most people watakuja kukufuata wakati njia yako imenyooka, wakati njia yako ni nzuri, wakati biashara yako ni nzuri, wakati mambo yako ni mazuri, wakati pesa ni nyingi, wakati biashara ni nzuri, wakati huo wanakuwa marafiki sana. But the shadows, the valleys, zikikuja wanakaa kando. Hata alikuwa rafiki yangu lakini hakunisaidia. Hata alikuwa rafiki yangu lakini hakunisaidia. Bwana asifiwe. Those